Alright guys, so we knew this was coming and the yoke is going to be replaced with a wheel for the Plaid and the long range Model S's and the Model X's. Now I shouldn't really say replaced because the yoke is still going to remain, but as an option, right now it's all just rumors, but there has been some code leaks from Greentheonly. He is the Twitter king when it comes to Tesla, and he found some codes in the back end as well as a UI animation just showing that there is tick boxes and mentions of the wheel. Now I'm gonna assume that this is the latest version of the updates that we have right now for Teslas. Obviously if this was there earlier, he would have probably found it and let us know sooner than this. Now as you guys can see right here, it does have mentions of the wheel and the yoke in the same text that's used for the diagnostic of the wheel. Sorry if I keep jumping back and forth between wheel and a yoke. It's just so confusing. In the end, it's just still the same steering rack. It's just now the steering column or the steering mechanism is a wheel versus a yoke. So just going back and forth, it kind of confuses me a little bit. But in the end, let's just call it a wheel. The wheel is coming back. Now, regardless of what Elon said on Twitter, we knew all this was going to happen in the end. The yoke just wasn't going to do it. For a lot of older people who actually has the money to buy the Model S and Model X are being turned off because of the yoke steering wheel alone. Now personally, I don't even care if it's the yoke or the wheel, just because I'm in the newer generation and I'm willing to try it out. But just from the looks of it, my family, my parents got turned away just because of the yoke alone. They said it looks stupid, to be honest, and honestly guys, for those of you that are on Twitter, on YouTube, that are putting yokes on your Model 3s, it blows my mind. I don't know how it can be better than a wheel in any circumstance. And I personally have tested the Model S before with the yoke, and trust me guys, it doesn't make sense whatsoever. I don't care what anybody has to say out there. It just sucks. Now the main reason for me saying that is I don't drive on the track. I make proper turns at red lights, left turns, right turns. So it makes me turn the whole steering wheel 360 and many more times than that, versus being on the track where probably it even makes more sense having the wheel than the yoke itself. But for those of you guys that are touting that the yoke is a lot better than the wheel, you guys are just crazy, to be honest. But regardless of that, there is even an additional screen here giving you the tick box between the yoke and the wheel. So that's more of an indication that the wheel is going to be coming back. And once it does come back, I think there's going to be a lot more customers intending to buy these cars, including my family. They are just waiting and they knew it. Now if I tell my parents this news, they're probably just going to rub it in my face and say I told you so, and that is likely what is gonna happen today. But at least they'll be interested in this car again versus being completely turned off. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. It's gonna be a very short one. There's not much to say about just a wheel and a yoke, to be honest, but let me know in the comments below if you guys are interested in the wheel again. Am I just being too crazy, or everybody else is being too crazy? I love the wheel, and I'm gonna say it proudly, I love the wheel. So let me know again if you guys do as well. So anyways, this should be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification if you guys haven't already done so. This is John, once again, peace out.